Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm starting something super exciting. At least I hope this is super exciting. Some of you're going to be like, oh god. So if you've watched me for a long time, you will know that I used to do a lot of weekly series. So I would do 7 videos in a week, all related to a similar topic. And I haven't done that in ages, and I loved doing them because the interaction with you guys was so amazing. You guys would comment and watch every single day, and I would chat to you, and there was always something to look forward to in the evenings for you guys and for me, and it was just a really fun thing to do. I just got a bit too busy to do them as regularly as I was doing them, but sorry if you can hear my computer, it sounds like it's going to explode. I got so inspired to do one, and I was thinking, what do I want to do a weekly series on? And I thought, what else other than rainbows? I don't know if you guys know, you may be new to my channel, but I have a thing for rainbow stripes. I wear rainbows all the time. I love rainbows, I love colour, and oh, my lash is falling off. So I thought that I would kickstart my weekly series off again with Rainbow Week. So obviously today we have red. I'm doing the like red, yellow, pink, green, purple, orange, blue because there's 7 of them. I know that's not the actual rainbow, but the rainbow you're taught at school. So yeah, every day this week I am going to be uploading a makeup tutorial based around the colour of the day. So obviously this look is red. They're going to vary in how dramatic they are, how creative they are, how wearable they are. It's just a bit of fun. I make the looks up as I go. And it's just, I just thought it would be a nice way to kind of reconnect with you guys, and give you guys loads of tutorials. A little just disclaimer, my hair colour might change throughout the week, as well as like lighting and angles and stuff, because I am pre-filming this week's worth of videos way in advance. So today's actually the 2nd of May, so I know already that I'm getting my hair a different colour by the time you actually see this. There won't be much continuity, but there will be a video every day this week. So I really hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you're excited for all the videos. I'm so excited. I really hope you enjoy this week. Leave a comment down below on what weekly series you would like to see. So 7 videos of a theme. If you'd like to see them, let me know down below, like different requests. I would love to hear your opinions. Yeah, without further ado, I hope you enjoy this look, and welcome to Rainbow Week. Okay, I'm so excited. As you can see, I've actually put some contacts in. I got sent these Iris Beauty contacts, and they're called Sky Blue, and I thought, seeing as I'm doing red eyeshadow, I would put some blue contacts in. And to be honest, because my eyes are like green, they're kind of more just like a green. I actually prefer my natural eye colour to the colour that they've gone, but we're just gonna roll with it today, okay? Obviously the first colour is red, which is a colour I'm very comfortable with on my eyes. So we're starting slow, and then we'll move on to the more out there colours throughout the week. I've already done my brows and prepped my lid, so I'm ready to jump in. I'm going to use the Anastasia Soft Glam palette and this NYX Brights palette, and I'm also going to use this Morphe 12p palette. So to transition, I'm actually going to take this kind of pink colour from the NYX palette, and I'm just going to begin buffing this through my crease and blowing it out. We're just going to go for like a bright red eyeshadow today. We are not gonna play any games. I'm so excited to be doing another weekly series. I used to do these quite often, and I just haven't really had the time recently. You want to make sure that you are blowing this out really far. I'm actually just gonna go straight in with this red now that I've got a transition shade, and I'm just gonna pack this all over the lid. I haven't done my foundation yet because I don't want red fallout in my foundation. That just isn't cute. This isn't the best red eyeshadow I've ever used. Maybe if I apply it damp, so I'm gonna pack it on my brush and then spritz it. It's also a little bit of a more pinky red than what I was wanting, but again, we're gonna work with it. Yeah, nah, not the best. Oh well, it's only the first layer. I'm gonna take a little bit of Jeffree Star Anna Nicole, because these are eye safe. I'm gonna pack this on my lid, kind of as a base, not bringing it too high. And then once that's down, I'm gonna take the red powder on my finger. Much better. Oh, look at the difference. Oh, thank goodness. I'm taking that same red now and I'm just blending this in and I'm pulling it out and bringing it in as well. I changed my mind. I'm not using the Soft Glam. I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette and I'm going to go in with Venetian Red and I'm going to begin to buff this through my crease. I want to change my brush. Looking pretty crazy. And you're done. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with Red Ochre. Am I? Yes, Red Ochre. And this is just gonna start making a little bit more of a wearable red. As I say, bringing it all the way in. I'm going back in with the initial red and packing that on. I'm now gonna go in with a black eyeshadow. And this is where things start to come together. I'm packing that on the outer third of my lid. Another reason why I haven't done my foundation yet. And I'm pulling it out again. I'm going to put my foundation on and then come back to this. I'm going to start by putting on some of my By Terry Cellular Rose Brightening CC Serum. I need to put on my Neod Photography Fluid. Nearly forgot something quite vital. I normally like to mix those two together, but we're just going to see how it looks on top. Because I completely forgot to put it on. For foundation, I'm going to be super boring and use my current favourite, which is my L'Oreal Pro Glow Foundation. I love it so much. It's so good. Oh my god. I don't want like crazy coverage. I just want my skin tone to be evened out. I've got this weird, okay, I don't know what's happened. I have a weird piece of hair and I think I accidentally might have cut it, but I don't know how. Concealer, I'm going to use some Urban Decay Naked Skin concealer. Now you want to be super careful when you're going under the eye to not cut the blend too hard. I'm just blending softly up to where my eyeshadow ends. I'm going to use my all-time fave, my Radiant Creamy. And I literally just use this concealer to highlight my nose and just the front panel and keep it so. The shade Chantilly is super light, so it really brightens. Okay, now going in with a semi-clean blending brush. I'm just buffing in my outer edge. Okay, I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury setting powder to set under my eye. And I also just take it on the outer edge here. It just helps the blend. Whack it wherever else you want to set. And then I'm going in and blending out my nose highlight. Okay, to save a little bit of time, I just contoured the schnoz. Here is how we're looking, guys. It's dramatic. I feel like a superhero. I'm going to whack on some mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I do love this mascara. It's starting to run out a little bit though. I'm also going to quickly apply... Oh, there's a hair attached to my lashes. Gross. I'm also just going to whack on some of the Lily lashes, the Faux Mink lashes in the style Mykonos, and then I will be right back. Okay, lashes are on and they are huge. I'm now going to line my waterline with a red lip liner. I've sharpened it. Lip liners and eyeliners are the same thing. So just make sure you sharpen it so that it's hygienic. I'm going to smoke Venetian Red. No, I'm not. I'm going to smoke Red Ochre under my eyes. And then mascara. Oh, I haven't used this in ages. I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. I've not used this palette in so long. So let's do it. It's hilarious. I'm going to one of my best friend's houses tonight just for catch-ups, and I'm probably not going to have time to take this makeup off. So, Liz, I may be rocking up to your house with a bright red smoky eye on. We'll just see. I'm going in with another oldie but goodie. This is Rocketeur from Benefit. I love this blush. Smells very nostalgic to me. Just a tiny bit of blush. To highlight, I'm going to use L'Oreal's La Vie en Glow, which I spilt something all over, so just ignore that. And I'm going to mix the two lighter shades. highlight the nose. For the lips, I'm struggling actually. I think I'm just going to do a brown tone nude. Lining my lips with my current favourite lip liner in Bite Me from Morphe. And then I'm wearing Driver from Maybelline. Okay, here it is. Here is the finished look. I think it turned out really nice. I would wear this out. I'd wear this clubbing. It turned out actually much more wearable than I was expecting, which is good, I guess. That was fun. I hope you enjoyed. I can't wait to see you tomorrow for yellow. I'm really excited for tomorrow's look. I think I know what I want to do in my head. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Everything is linked down below that I used on my face today, so make sure you go check down below. Have the best day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!